Okay, 10.4, we're going to identify triads by sound and write triads given the root. Now the identifying triads by sound, I recorded a separate audio-only track for you to listen to help you figure out what each of these triads sound like. Just a quick review. Major, da 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 da, sounds happier. Kind of like a birthday party. Minor sounds like this. Da 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 da. Sadder, kind of like a funeral. Diminished sounds like this. Da 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 da. Kind of sneaky, creepy. They say Halloween association here, if that helps. Then augmented. Da 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 da. Kind of, they say science fiction film, I think of like a cliffhanger, I guess something that's tense, intense. That's how it sounds. That's how I associate it. Whichever works for you is great. Whatever tricks you need to do will be ideal. Now we're going to write the triads above these roots. So keep working on identifying by the sounds, listen to that other one, and we're going to look at playing or writing them by their roots. Now, we need to write the note heads and thirds first and then alter them. So, here's this one. We're going to write a major triad. All these ones on this first row are going to be major, then all the ones are going to be, next ones are going to be minor, then diminished, then augmented. So we're going to start with major. First thing you do, you write the note heads above. Pardon me. And then we have an A, C, and an E. For major triads, we have a major third on the bottom and a minor third on the top. So, let's take a look. We need to go from A to C and turn that into a major third. If you look at a keyboard, and I don't have one on my screen, I just have one in my head. If you look at a keyboard, you count the half steps. A to C is a minor third. We need to make it a slightly bigger, a half step bigger. So we're going to put a sharp on that C, and now that's a major third. Now from C sharp to E, we need to figure out what interval that is. And that one is a minor third, as is. So we can leave that one as is. That is how you find major. Now let's take a look at this one here. We're going to do a minor one. Now remember, with minor triads, we have a minor third on the bottom and a major third on the top. So first things first, put in your note heads. So we have B to D. Is that a major third or a minor third? That is going to be a minor third. So what we're going to do is leave that as is, because that's already a minor third. Now from D to F, is that a major third or a minor third? Well, if you count the half steps, that is only a minor third, but we need to have a major third on the top. So what we're going to do is add a sharp to that F, and that is your minor third. Next, we have diminished triads. A diminished triad, so first we got to put our note heads on there. Now remember, with diminished, we have a minor third on bottom and a minor third on top. So, F to A. Use your keyboard. Is that a major third or a minor third? That, on its own, is a major third. So we need to make this minor by lowering that top note, making it a half step smaller. So there's going to be a flat on the A, so it's going to be A flat. Now from A flat to C, if you think of the keyboard, that is going to be a major third. However, we need both intervals to be minor thirds. So what I'm going to do to lower that is I'm going to put a flat on the C. And there is our diminished triad. Finally, we're going to take a look at an augmented triad. We have D, F, and A. So D to F, is that a major or a minor? So remember with augmented, we need to have both thirds have to be major. So D to F, think of the keyboard, is a minor third. So we need to make that a major third. And by doing that, we are going to put a sharp on the F. Now from F sharp to A, is that a major third or a minor third? That is actually a minor third. So we need to make this both major because for augmented, both thirds have to be major. In order to make that major, all we need to do is add a sharp. And we now have an augmented triad. And the rest you should be able to do on your own.